Hi everyone, this is Christina from Christina Leong Music, and I am here today to show you how to replace my Bitmoji with yours. Now, first thing you're going to need to do is go to, obviously, the slide that has my Bitmoji that you would like to replace. And you're going to want to know that there is a transparent shape over the entire slide, and that's actually the case for all of the slides, I believe. The reason for this is just so that students can't click anywhere they want on the slide just to advance to the next one without actually answering the questions correctly. So to edit the things behind it, this is over everything. So I'm going to slide that out of the way, and then you'll have access to my Bitmoji and all the other objects in the slide. I have a few Bitmojis stacked up here. So, I mean, you might want to move them all out of the way so that you can kind of get to each of them and so on. So I'm just going to pick one for now. Now, you don't want to just delete my Bitmoji and put in your own, because if you look over here, here are the animations that are in this slide alone and all the different steps. And I will tell you, it took many hours to put these together. You're not going to want to undo it. So in order to change this without changing any of the motions, you're just going to replace it. And the way that you're going to do that is you're going to right click, pick the Bitmoji that you want to replace, right click, replace image, and you're just going to select your image from wherever you would like. I'll show you where I think is the easiest way to do this if you have the Bitmoji extension. And that is to go up to your Bitmoji extension, pick the Bitmoji you want. I'm going to pick this one only because it looks very different, so that it stands out so you can see the difference. Right click, copy image address. Now you're going to go and do what I just told you before. Right click my Bitmoji, replace image by URL, right click and paste here. Now you'll see that's the one that it's going to replace it with. We're going to replace that there. Let's do another one just because. Oops, wrong button, sorry. Again, I'm just going to pick some super random ones just so that they look very, very different. Right click, replace image by URL, replace. All right, so that's just a couple of them just to get us started. All right, now I'm going to move them back to where they were before. Close enough for now. And don't forget, put the big transparent shape back over top of it. Also, you're probably going to want to check some of change some of the speech bubbles, because they say Mrs. Leong. You're not Mrs. Leong, so you'll want to change it to your name. Once you're done with all of the edits, put the transparent shape back, and now you'll see it should still present the same way mine did, at the same time, with the speech bubbles coming up at the same time as the appropriate Bitmoji. So let's take a look. Now we should be seeing the new ones. So you'll see now when you put it in your own, it's going to be with yours and not mine. All right, I hope that was helpful. If you like this activity, follow me. I'm going to be putting a part 2. This is the first thing I've ever put up here. So also, if you have any suggestions, send me a message. Let me know. I'm definitely open for suggestions and things that you would like to see, if there's different activities that you would like. So again, check back, follow me. Thank you for your purchase.